अब क्या करूं, कहाँ टाइम पास करूं?
Estoy escuchando, pero te estoy ignorando en tu cara. Déjame vivir, déjame en paz.
이게 영양은 못 먹는 거다. 이거 생각 처음 들어봐. 이 음식의 이름을. 나도 굴라시는 들어봤어. 굴라시 처음 들어봤어.
There's absolutely no way. Evan Ford's going for airborne, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Oh my God! He got him in an RKO in midair. An RKO in midair.
Lemon? Why were you slapping Greenie? That's not okay. I know. I'm so sorry. Stop fighting. Fighting does not do any good. Come on. Just leave them.
Семья собралась на этот на ужин.
It's Sunday. No Sunday. Good.
Baby awake! Mission complete!
What did I say, huh? What did I say? I told you no touchy. Now you suffer the bite of the lion and the clenching jaws of an alligator. Wait, sorry, don't pull the cotton stuck in my teeth.
Go 911! I'd like to report a murder. Something happened right now.
Oh, stop being so dramatic.
Dramatic! This psychopath just looked at me like I'm a rotisserie chicken. Call the police! Call the FBI!
Why are you always flirting with me, huh?
You're attractive, Granny.
If my husband hears this, he will be angry.
Just forget about your husband, Granny. He is not handsome more than me.
Oh my goodness.
Alexa, play music.
Playing disco playlist.
Yeah! Party, party!
Baba Guy, what are you doing? It's 2 o'clock in the morning!
Alexa, stop!
Round 2.
Wow.
my wife. I'll file a harassment case.
No.
Call the lawyer.
Baba Guy, it's just a cake. No! You cut my head! You monster! Call police! Call doctor! Call everybody! Here, try it.
Hey, officer! They don't have a license! Arrest them!
Oh, man. Bro, that bird's doing our job. Oh, Rocco, you're killing me.
Alexa, what's 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1 equals 22.
22? Wait, what? Are you drunk?
I'm sorry, I didn't get
Of
that.
course you don't. You need a factory reset and a new brain.
Bang. Bang. Bang.
Ah! This cat is checking my meat quality. Why is it poking me like I'm a supermarket chicken?
It's just touching you.
Touching? It's tenderizing me. I have not marinated enough for this. Somebody stop this furry chef.
Run.
Up. Go down. Up.
You ready? I think he picked the wrong one. What did it do? What did it do? Good boy, Parrot. Good boy. He's a good boy. Hi.
Okay, I'll talk. The cat did it. The cat did everything.
What cat?
Any cat. All cats. Put that needle down, lady.
You won't hurt with it.
That's what my ex said before she took half my seed stash in the divorce.
Sir, you've been charged with disturbing the peace.
And why are you here disturbing me?
You've got attitude.
And you've got anger issues. Therapy's that way, champ.
Oh, man.
Sir, where were you last night at 9 p.m.?
At your mom's house, teaching her how to whistle.
Watch your mouth!
You got donut crumbs on yours.
You got you, Sarge.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Sir, did you really call my wife last night?
She called me first. Said you snore like a generator.
You're out of line.
So's your marriage license.
Sir, do you know why we pulled you over?
Because you're bored and single.
You think this is a joke?
Yeah, and your love life's the punchline.
Sir, do you know how fast you were flying?
Faster than your promotion, apparently.
You're testing me.
And you're still failing.
sing me a song? Please?
Alright.
What are you gonna say?
Be Siri.
No. Sing a song. That's Love Pops. That's still popping. Okay. That was it! Yay! That was good. Yes! That's my boy.
Alexa.
Fart! That was a funky one. Try asking me for a difficult fart.
Alexa.
Fart!
What a poser!
Do you love me? Will you marry me? What is this? You don't know anything except this word. Stupid cat. Wedding cancelled. Wedding you.
Can I see your ticket? Very good. Where's your friend's ticket? Oh, okay, he can stay. Go dance.
Bob! Help! The cat is testing me like I'm today's special on the menu.
It's just touching you.
He's literally checking if I'm crunchy enough. Don't let him preheat the oven. He's imagining me with ketchup.
Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited.
Hey, where are you taking that little kitten? It still needs its mother. Do you even know what you're doing?
Look at your child. Your irresponsible mother. How can you lose something this tiny? Even I found it before you.
Oh my god. Hi, honey. You are so funny. Will you marry me?
How old are you?
I'm 31.
Sorry, you are expired.
Come here. What are you doing? No. No, I don't want to kiss kiss. Did you just call me a bitch?
Thunderball, some give it to, some give it to, some give it to our girls. 5,040,000 naughty shorty, baby girl, I'm a girl.
Brother, help me!
What's that? What's that? Go get it. Go get it, Bubble. What is it? Yeah, step on it. Go get it. Go get it, Bubble. Pussy. Wait. Hey! It's eating your baby. Do your job. Do your job so I don't have to do it for you. Go. What's up? Don't you dare. Here. That is so ungrateful. So ungrateful. Move. Go away.
Paşa bir öpücük ver.
That's perfect.